Nimble CRM pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think Nimble CRM is just a simple contact manager. The surprising truth is, Nimble is a social CRM that combines contact management, relationship tracking, and social insights to help businesses build stronger customer connections. Nimble pricing is straightforward, with plans billed per user per month. The platform includes features like unified contact profiles, email tracking, social media integration, task management, and pipeline tracking. Enterprise-level options include advanced reporting, custom fields, single sign-on, and priority support. With Nimble, teams can automatically pull contact information from social profiles, track interactions, and maintain notes across emails, calls, and meetings. For example, when you receive an email from a prospect, Nimble can create or update a contact profile, log the conversation, and show relevant social insights, giving you a complete view of your relationship. Pipeline and deal tracking help teams prioritize opportunities and forecast revenue, while task management ensures follow-ups are timely and consistent. Reporting features provide insights into engagement, sales performance, and productivity. Integration with tools like Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and marketing platforms ensures data flows seamlessly across your stack. In conclusion, Nimble CRM pricing reflects its value as a smart, social-focused CRM platform that helps businesses nurture relationships and increase sales efficiency. By combining contact intelligence, workflow automation, and relationship insights, Nimble empowers teams to work smarter, maintain strong connections, and grow revenue. For businesses that value relationship-driven sales, Nimble offers strong ROI and practical functionality.